Abigail Watson is the Chief Executive Officer of MBW Energy. The forum was the Local Content Summit opening. The venue was the Pegasus Corporate Suite.
The theme for today's summit is creating value, driving economic expansion, and that captures all of our shared objectives. Local content transcends mere rhetoric. It serves as a cornerstone upon which we can construct a resilient and diversified economy that benefits all Guyanese. Reflecting on the recent years, we have witnessed remarkable growth earnings among local companies here in Guyana.
The Local Content Secretariat reported that local companies earned $440 million in 2020.
And by the end of 2023, there was a notable surge in earnings, a total amount of $524 million in profit. So the tangible benefits for Guyanese entrepreneurs, they're evident. With the success stories like my own MBW's transformation from owning no vehicles to now having a boasting fleet of 20. And others have similarly flourished, securing contracts that will serve hundreds on a daily basis.
President Irfaan Ali was the featured speaker at the forum.
I've currently asked the Local Content Secretariat to commence the review of the different areas we have on the local content, to look at areas in which we have built capacity as a country to add, and to look at the percentage in the different areas, because over the last 3 years, we would have built tremendous capacity in some areas, and to see how we can further accelerate those areas.
He spoke of the role of local content. He said that the scale of local content in Guyana was large.
No single company or capital formation could not match the scale of what was required. But slowly, we saw companies coming together. We saw consortiums being built. We saw partnership being created. Today is another example of 2 young ladies here coming together in partnership in creating this summit. I don't know if there are others, but the 2 of you are part of this partnership.
And the scale of local content operations is changing.
So we have to ensure that our business model is also reflecting that change in scale. And this is where summits like these and seminars like these are important, because it allows a level of networking that allow you to bring capital together, to bring human assets together, to integrate companies, and to build a scale that is required to address the opportunities ahead of us.
The banking model needs to change if the banking sector is to become integrated into the local content model. This, he said, requires some investment from the banking sector.